In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures on Godaddy Website Builder. Whether you're sprucing up your website or adding new content, photos can really bring your site to life. Let's dive in and see how you can easily update your website with new images. First things first, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy homepage and click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. It's pretty straightforward from here. Just type in your username and password into the respective fields. After you've entered your credentials, click on the sign in button again to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to your website's dashboard. You can find this by clicking on the My Products section under your account or by directly visiting the dashboard link provided. This is where all your Godaddy services and products are listed. Next, within your dashboard, you'll see an overview of your current websites. Find the website you wish to edit and look for the Edit Website option. This will take you directly into the Godaddy Website Builder where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, let's focus on adding those pictures. You'll need to locate the section on your website where you want to add your images. Sections are essentially blocks of content that you can customize individually. Once you find the right section, usually marked by placeholders for images or galleries, click on it to open the section settings. Inside the section settings, you'll see an option for gallery images or something similar, depending on the type of section you are editing. This is where you can manage all images within that particular section. Go ahead and click on that option. You'll be taken to a screen displaying all current images in that section. To add new ones, look for a plus icon or an Add Images button, usually located at the top of the image gallery or somewhere around it. Clicking this will prompt you to upload new images. When you click on Add Images, you'll have the option to browse files on your computer. This is your opportunity to choose the beautiful images you want to upload to your website. Select the images from your device. You can typically select multiple files at once by holding down the Ctrl, Windows, or Command Mac key as you click on each file. After you've selected the desired images, they will start uploading to your Godaddy website. This process may take a few moments, depending on the size of the images and your internet speed. Be patient. Good things take time. Once the upload is complete, you can arrange, crop, or edit your images further directly within the Godaddy editor. It's all quite intuitive. You can drag images to reorder them or use the built-in tools to make sure they fit the aesthetic of your site perfectly. It's important to remember that visuals play a crucial role in the overall appeal of your website. High quality, relevant images can significantly enhance user engagement and convey your message more effectively. Before you wrap up, take a moment to preview your website and see how the new images look in context. Godaddy Website Builder offers a preview option that allows you to see your site as it would appear live. This is an excellent way to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to hit the Publish button. This makes all your changes live, updating your website for the world to see. Adding pictures to your Godaddy website is a simple yet effective way to keep your content fresh and engaging. Not only does it enhance the visual appeal of your site, but it also helps in telling your story more vividly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Remember, the key to a great website is not just in the content, but also in how visually appealing it is. So go ahead, get creative with your images and make your website stand out. Happy editing.